I don't agree na makulong siya. I want him to be home as much as anybody who loves him. Pero kung totoong love natin siya at loyal tayo sa kanya, we should not, and I repeat this, we should not believe in fake news. Our sympathy should never be used against us. Hindi dapat tayo gagawing tanga. Hindi dapat tayo gawing kahiya-hiya just because we believe people that are using us and using the love and loyalty that we have for PRRD. As per his case, it was filed in 2017. It was there. I made a video on this and saying that there is never a jurisdiction of the ICC in the Philippines when we withdrew. But when we withdrew, the case was already filed. And with any case, it should be faced. It doesn't mean that I love and I am loyal to him. It doesn't mean that I don't want him to be accountable. Because that's part of it. If we love him, we will hope that he lives long enough so that he can come home when this whole case is over. That's the thing that they don't want you to know. That number one, we cannot do anything here in the Philippines no matter how hard we try. There is nothing we can do. There is no such thing as if we did rallies all over the Philippines that they will want to bring him home. No, mas nakakasama pa yan sa kanya. Because what we can do now is pray that his lawyers give the ICC enough reason to grant him an interim release. That's it. But even if he is released in that way, he will still have to face the case in the ICC. Pero ngayon, sino naman ang tanga na magre-release sa kanya even on an interim basis when the ICC already knows what the Filipinos will do? Do you really think they will release him now with what you are doing? Diba? Na even based on fake news and chismis, ganyan na reactions nyo? Of course, the ICC doesn't want that. Of course, the ICC doesn't want to be insulted like what you have been doing. Kung mahal nyo talaga si PRRD like me, you pray. Kasi hindi naman kayo yung abogado niya eh. And kahit pa mga abogado kayo, hindi naman kayo ang abogado niya sa ICC. Pero yun nga, they don't want to tell you the truth. Aside sa interim release, kailangan na talaga niyang i-face ang kaso. At ang kasong yan, matagal pa yan. Okay? So if he is not released, he will not be able to come home until the case is over. And this is not an opinion. It's just facts. It's facts that you don't want to listen to because you are listening to people who keep on lying to you because they are using your sympathy to their benefit. It does not benefit PRRD. What PRRD needs in The Hague, in the ICC right now, is our faith that he will be home safe. Is our faith that he will not be imprisoned for something that he did for the Filipino people. That's the truth. His war on drugs was for our benefit. But we also have to listen to him. He took responsibility for all of the actions that were done by the people who did the war on drugs. Do I think that it's fair na siya lang ang andon? No. Everybody responsible for that, everybody who is responsible should face its consequences, especially pag may mga inosenteng namatay doon. I am not saying na hindi worth it na mamatay ang mga adik, totoong adik. But let's also be realistic and honest with ourselves na may mga nadamay na inosente like yung mga bata. Just because I want justice for the babies and the children and the innocents na nadamay, it doesn't mean that I don't or I am not in favor of the war on drugs. I gave Riza Hontiveros shit for that. So again, uulitin ko, the only time PRRD will come home is if the ICC will grant him interim release. The power is not about us. It's not from us and we cannot do anything about it. Only his lawyers can and only their decision will matter. There is no such thing as pwede ka lang mag-signature campaign para mangyari ito. No. Pwede ka mag-prayer rally. Sure. To pray for his health, to pray for his safety. But he is safe over there and he is being treated well. The Hague, the ICC, is not like a normal prison. It's not a prison that is the same as you see on TV or the same that you see here in the Philippines. Hindi ganon. Social po siya doon. Yes, he is lonely because he is in a prison, but he is being treated well. But they will never tell you that. They will never tell you that because they want to feed on how you feel. They want to make you think that it's our government's fault. Of course not. The ICC is far bigger and far stronger and they have to face the consequences, or PRRD has to face the consequences of the case that was filed in 2017. This is what is real. That for him to come home safely to all of us is for him to face it and be done. This is no question whether I think he's a hero or not. He is my hero. He is still the best president that we have ever had in the Philippines. But it is not fair that you are being treated, kayo lang, kasi ayoko nang makisabay. Ayokong ginagago ako. Ginagago kasi kayo. Ginagago kayo na makakauwi siya kung iiyak-iyak kayo, magagalit kayo, mangiinsulto kayo sa mga judge. That's not how it works. Kahit magtanong kayo sa sino mang judge na kakilala nyo, hindi pwede na pag may kaso, dadalhin nyo ito sa publiko. Because the decision of the judges should be their own, not the public's. It is not a case on public opinion. It's a case in an actual court, the International Criminal Court. That's what it is. They don't wanna tell you that because gusto nilang sumabay sa sakit na nararamdaman nating lahat. But you and I are different. Because ako, I will say a novena every single day for PRRD's safety and his health and for him to know that we love him and he knows that. Pero kilala ko rin siya enough to know that ayaw niya talaga na ginagago tayo. Because that's what he said. To be honest, to serve the Filipino people. But what I see is being done right now, tinatakot kayo. Aside sa tinatakot kayo, di ba? Ginagawa rin kayong gago. Aside sa ginagawa kayong gago, they also want sympathy. PRRD doesn't need sympathy. He requires faith. Because that's what he deserves. Our faith that he will be acquitted from this case. Our faith that he will come home to all of us. Yes, including me and my son. That's it. It is not that we will disturb our neighbors by doing rallies that is not needed because we think that there is a raid. Sasabihin nyo that there is a raid, there is a raid. Isang buwan na ba, asaan ang raid? Walang raid kasi walang kaso. And again, no matter how we feel about this whole situation, it will not bring him back. But yun nga, for you to exercise your love and your loyalty, sige, sure, do that. But remember, you should also equally know the truth. You should also believe in your heart that for somebody that you truly love, you will not let them run away from their responsibilities, especially when it involves a case. I will not be hypocritical because I know what it's like to face a case and I faced it. And the people who loved me stood with me. That's what we should be doing. Standing with him, but in silence. Because lahat ng ginagawa nyo na pinapakita nyong gulong-gulo ang Pilipinas dahil dyan, it will not look good for PRRD. It never did and it never will. He is being used. Used. When he should be resting. Tama na. Tama na ang paggamit nyo sa kanya. Diba? Let the man be a hero that he deserves. He is our hero. But how are we doing or how are we honoring that legacy? Nagkakagulo kasi paniwalang-paniwala kayo sa fake news. Kayo namang supposedly loyal at malapit sa kanya, gamit na gamit nyo naman ang simpatya ng Pilipino. Mali. Because again, PRRD requires prayers for his safety and his health. He requires faith that he is innocent from all of the things that is being accused or he is being accused of. But let me remind you, it is not up to us. It is the ICC. It is up to the lawyers there in the ICC, not here in the Philippines. Hindi sa mga abogadong kuno. Okay, hindi. And again, if you really listen to experts on international law, they will tell you it is not up to us. It is up to the ICC and no one else because andun na siya. So uulitin ko, walang gagawin sa kanya o sa bahay niya kasi walang raid, kasi wala siyang pending na kaso dito sa Pilipinas. Everything is speculation, chismis, and fake news, and I hope you all wake up and smell the coffee that you are being lied to every single day. Okay? Ingat! Mwah!